E kindegi mago mabende jopuonjre nitiere pacho e yweyo mano mar dwe mar ang'wen. Jagoro mongirore e migao mano mar arita Laktar Raymond Omolo okwayogi mar mondo mi gitem gihore mar mondo mi kik gidonje timbego mago mag njore kaachiel kod wechego mago mabende nyalo rocho ngimagi. Kane oloso e sach nyasi mano mar chiwo mich e sikul moro ni Utumishi Academy, okwayo jopuonjre mar mondo mi kik giti kod yedhego mago mamero ji, wirani mano biro bedo ka rocho ngimagi.
As I have said, please stay away from drugs and harmful online content and choose your friends wisely. Your success lies in being safe, but also making responsible decisions.
The students, I want you to think very, very carefully. While you are in school, think about your parents, who are majority are police officers. That when they are working in Mandera, working in Chepchoina, Homa Bay, parts of, name it, Wajir, please think about them. And when you think about them, put a lot of effort in what you're doing.
That opportunity comes only, it doesn't strike twice, Indio. And to the class that is outgoing, to all of us, take the opportunity when it comes. Don't wait to strike the iron when it is hot. Strike the iron to make it hot. And I have no doubt